Good morning, students. We are going to attend the second video session of this week, and this week we are learning non-finite verbs. I have already explained you in the first period infinitives. There are three forms of non-finite verbs: infinitives, participles, and gerund. I have already explained you in the last period. In this video session, I am going to explain you participles, second form of non-finite verbs. What are participles and how many kinds are there of participles? What are the uses of participles? All that we shall learn in this video session. Let's see the participles. The participles has two forms. Present participles, that is ing form of verb is called present participle. When you add ing in any base form of verb, then that is called present participle. Laugh, laughing. Give, giving. Play, playing. So this ing form of base form of verb is called present participles. As I already told, ing form of verb is called present participle. This ing form verb acts as an adjective in the sentence also. You can see here, she bought a laughing doll. What kind of doll? Laughing doll. Here laughing is present participle. You can see ing is in the verb laugh, so it is called participle and it is present participle. And after that is doll. Doll is here noun. What kind of doll? Laughing doll. So laughing is describing or modifying noun, that is doll. I read an interesting story yesterday. What kind of a story? Interesting. So I read an interesting story. So interesting is here participle from interest. Interest is here a verb. Interest is base form of verb. In that ing is added, and so it is present participle. I read an interesting story. Interesting is here acting as an adjective in the sentence. You can give your own examples, form several examples, and clear your own here just concept. Here we are giving few examples. I will explain you some more in the online classes, but here the examples that is given, you can just add many more to widen your view, to widen your knowledge. Second one is past participle. Participle verb has two kinds, that is present participle and past participle. Past participles, third form of verb, that is called V3. You have been learning in your grammar book V3, third form. Play, played, played. So third form played. Second form is also played, but third form is called past participle. Okay, write, wrote, written. So here written, that is third form, is called past participle. Sleep, slept, slept. Sleep, slept, slept. So there again that slept, that is third form, is called past participle. Okay. So past participle are the third form of verb, that is called past participle. These verbs are in ed form. Right now I gave you example played, and several examples will be here. D is here, then is here T, sealed, formed. Okay, so D for when added at the last of verb, that makes it third here form of verb. T, slept, dreamt, and N form like write, wrote, written, given. So in this way, already you know third form of verb. So third form of verb is used as past participle. Let us see some examples based on past participle. I got a sealed gift from her. Sealed. Seal verb is there. Its third form is sealed. Ed is here added in that. Sealed for gift from her. She found frozen water in the glass. Frozen. You can see here freeze, froze, frozen. en form. So these are past participle. Sealed gift, frozen water. So sealed, frozen, used in these sentences are past participle form. Let us now know different here participles and usage of them. Usage of present participles. Present participles are used to form continuous tense. Present continuous, okay, present perfect continuous. In that form, ing form is used. She is making a project. She is making a project. Here it is present continuous. We have been waiting for the train for 4 hours. So here have been waiting. Here again waiting, but in this tense it is here present perfect continuous form. Second usage, you see, it is used as an adjective. Present participle is also used as an active. We see twinkling stars at night. Stars are noun, and that is modified by twinkling word, that is where present participle. What kind of a stars? Twinkling. So twinkling is added to the meaning of a stars. That is used, that is acting. Twinkling means present participle is here acting like an adjective, which is modifying the noun, that is a stars. I will give you surprising news. What kind of news? Surprising. So here again surprising, that is present participle, ing form, that is modifying the noun news, and that's why it is acting like adjective in these sentences. Let us now see another usage of present participle. It is used to modify verbs. Modify verbs. Having taken. Having taken. From before taken is having. ing form, present participle. Having taken my lunch, I went to school. Having finished my work, I went to join the meeting. Let us see the next uses. It is used, present participle is used after verbs, movements. The child came shouting. The child came shouting. He replied laughing all my questions. He replied laughing to all my questions. It is used to explain the reason. Present participle is used also to explain the reason. Being sick, he was not able to walk. Why was he not able to walk? Being sick. Because he was sick. So being, ing form of be verb. Being sick, he was not able to walk. Telling that he was in hurry, he left his bag. So in this way, you see the usage of present participle. Now we shall have some usage of past participle. I have already told you participle has their two forms, present participle and past participle. Now you see usage of past participle. It is used to form perfect tenses. I have got the message. I have got the message. Here you see. Here, in that is not here, the correct here. Here, the first example is not here. I have got the message here. Got. You see here, that is not here, but here, correct here. They have stopped working. They have stopped working. Here, stopped is here, third form, past participle. Here, I got is here also. Got is here also, past participle, that is third form. So that is used, third form of verb is here used, that is correct. I have got the message and they have stopped working. Here I was confused, got is here third form and here stopped is third form. So to form a perfect tense, and both sentences are here perfect, present perfect tense, and verb that is third form are used in these two sentences. It is also used as an adjective. Past participle is also used as an adjective, that is third form of verb. Like, you will be given a prepared project. You will be given a prepared project. Here, before project, prepared word is acting like adjective. Like adjective, you will be given a prepared project. So let us see. Next here uses. It is used in sentences in the passive voice. Let us see which form. The past participle form. Past participle form. Third form. This story was written by Premchand. Written. You can see here, this is in passive voice. In active will be Premchand wrote this story. That is written in passive. This story was written by Premchand. You have read in active and passive chapter that in passive sentence we use always third form of verb, V3 form. And here also in this sentence you can see the example. This story was written. Fourth is here, it is used in phrases like excited with good result. So all these words in highlight is a phrase, and excited is a past participle. From excite verb, excite, excited, excited. Excited with good result, he ran to his friend. Satisfied with my answer, the judge gave me a certificate. So these are some of the examples of past participle, and I am sure that you must have understood present participle, past participle. Present participle is ing form of base verb, and there are different uses that I have explained you with examples. And next you read about past participle, that is V3 form of verb, third form of verb, and their uses that is also explained to you. So I will explain you more here in just online classes, and here that is given. You will note down in your copy these uses with examples, and you think and use your own examples to make it here more satisfactory here, and certainly you will do. I am hopeful. So till then, just wish you all the best, and God bless you. Thank you.